With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. Let's start the question. The question says that a certain weight of pure calcium carbonate is made to react completely with 200 ml of a HCl solution to give 227 ml of carbon dioxide gas at standard temperature pressure. The normality of the HCl solution is. So in this question basically we are provided that a pure calcium carbonate is reacting completely with 200 ml of HCl solution and it produces 227 ml, that is the volume of the carbon dioxide gas produced at the conditions of standard temperature and pressure. So we have to calculate the normality of the HCl solution. So let us start the solution to our question. First of all, as per the information which is given in the question, we can clearly say that there is a reaction taking place between calcium carbonate and HCl, and that reaction we can write as calcium carbonate, that is CaCO3, is reacting with acid, that is HCl, in order to give calcium chloride plus water along with the production of CO2 gas. Now, what is the volume of HCl that is reacting? It is 200 ml of HCl is reacting, and then what is the amount of CO2 that is produced? That is the volume 227. Now this is all from the information which is already given in the question, and for this HCl we have to calculate the normality being denoted by capital N. So we can write here the volume of HCl solution given is 200 ml. Volume of HCl solution is equal to 200 ml, and volume of CO2 produced is how much? It is 227 ml. So now here we know that the molar volume is the volume of a compound at standard temperature pressure, and that is equal to 22.4 liter. That is when 1 mole of any species is reacting. So here we can write that molar volume is equal to Vm, is denoted by Vm, and its value is equal to 22.4 liter, and we can also convert it into milliliter by multiplying by 1000. So we can write 22400 ml. This is the molar volume. So now from this, if we have to calculate, if the number of moles are 1, so we can calculate the molar volume by volume at STP divided by 22.4 liters. So now from this we can calculate by using the relation the moles of CO2. We can calculate the moles. Moles of CO2 will be equal to the volume at STP in milliliters divided by 22400 ml, that is the molar volume. So we can calculate the number of moles by dividing the volume at STP divided by the molar volume. Now volume at STP is 227 and we'll divide it by 22400, which on simplification will give us the number of moles of CO2 as 0.01 moles. These are the moles of CO2. Now, if we write the balanced chemical equation for the reaction which was taking place between HCl and calcium carbonate, balanced reaction will be HCl, calcium carbonate plus HCl will give CaCl2 plus H2O plus CO2. In order to balance this, we need to just put a coefficient 2 here. Now this equation has become perfectly balanced. From this we can see, in order for HCl to react with calcium carbonate, If 2 moles of HCl are reacting, so it requires 1 mole of CO2. So from this, we can calculate by using the relation the moles of HCl. So the moles of CO2 which we have just calculated above are equal to 0.01 mole, and moles of HCl will be equal to 2 into 0.01 mole, because the mole of HCl is double to that of the CO2. So it will be equal to 0.02 mole. Now, because HCl is an acid, so we'll be determining the normality. So what is the formula of normality? Because we have to calculate the normality of HCl. Normality of a substance can be calculating by dividing number of gram equivalent of that particular compound by the volume in liters. So we have to calculate for HCl. First of all, we'll calculate the number of gram equivalent. It will be equal to moles multiplied by the N factor. Now, for an acid, N factor is actually its basicity. Now, what do we mean by basicity? It means how much H plus will be released by that acid. That will be defined as its N factor. So the N factor for HCl is 1, and number of moles is 0.02, which we have already calculated above. And from this, we'll get the number of gram equivalent also as 0.02. From this, we can calculate the normality. So therefore, the normality of HCl will be equal to 0.02 multiplied by 1 divided by 200, which is the volume, divided by 1000, in order to convert it in liter, because this 200 is the volume in milliliters. This, on simplification, will give us the normality of HCl as 0.1 normal. This is our final answer to the question, because in the question we were asked for the normality of HCl. So that was all about this question. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.